To identify trigonometric ratios, we are using this mnemonic SOHCAHTOA. For SO, ENS means sine, and OH is the ratio, O over H. O means opposite, H means hypotenuse. For Ka, C means cosine, AH is the ratio. A means adjacent, over H means hypotenuse. And for TOA, T means tangent, and OA is the ratio. O means opposite, and A means adjacent. In the figure right here, the longest side, or the side opposite the right angle, that's the hypotenuse. And since our reference angle is right here, the one with the symbol theta, the side opposite this angle, this one, 4, that's our opposite, and the leg beside that angle is adjacent. So it means for sine theta, that's opposite over hypotenuse, that will be 4 over the hypotenuse 5. For cosine, adjacent is right here, 3 over hypotenuse 5. For tangent, opposite is 4, and adjacent is 3. For this side, this is just the reciprocal of the function right here. Cosecant is reciprocal of sine, so that will be 5 over 4. 4 over 5 became 5 over 4. For secant, that's the reciprocal of cosine. 3 over 5 will be 5 over 3. For cotangent, that's the reciprocal for tan, and you'll write 3 over 4.